You know that age-old debate about which came first, the chicken or the egg? Well, while we may never solve that mystery, one thing's for sure. Eggs are pretty good for you. But there's always that nagging question about their cholesterol, right? So let's talk. Should you be popping eggs like candy every day? Or is it more of a once-in-a-while thing? Let's dig into what happens when you munch on 2 eggs daily. Oh, and before we dive in, don't forget to smash that like button and hit subscribe to keep up with all our health tips and tricks. Now, let's crack open the egg discussion. 1. Provides essential nutrients. Eggs may be small and budget-friendly, but don't underestimate their nutritional value. They're like a tiny powerhouse, containing all the nutrients needed to kickstart a baby chicken's journey from a single cell. Take a large boiled egg, for instance. It's vitamin-packed with vitamin A, folate, pantothenic acid, vitamin B5, vitamin B12, riboflavin, vitamin B2, phosphorus, and selenium, which are essential for our health. And that's not all. Eggs also boast decent amounts of vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin B6, calcium, and zinc. All this goodness comes bundled with just about 74 calories, along with 6 grams of protein and 5 grams of fat. Eggs also come with a whole bunch of trace nutrients that our bodies love. They're a one-stop shop for nearly every nutrient you need. If you can lay your hands on pasteurized or omega-3 enriched eggs, even better. They're bursting with higher levels of omega-3 fats, vitamins A and E. The golden yolk is particularly rich in nutrients like vitamin B12, vitamin D, and choline, necessary converting food into energy. Plus, thanks to their winning combo of protein and healthy fats, 2 eggs keeps you feeling satisfied for longer, helping you power through the day with enthusiasm. Studies have highlighted the satiating power of egg-based meals, especially when teamed up with fiber-rich foods. They've been found to keep hunger at bay and curb calorie consumption in subsequent meals, even when those meals have similar calorie counts. Eggs don't just stop there. They also score impressively high on the satiety index, a scale that measures a food's ability to keep you full and satisfied, leading to reduced calorie intake throughout the day. So consider adding not just 1, but 2 eggs to your meals for long-lasting satisfaction and calorie management. 2. Beneficial to eye health. As we age, it's pretty common for our vision to take a bit of a hit. You might notice things getting a tad blurry or struggling to see in low light. Not to worry, because Mother Nature has equipped us with some powerful allies in the form of nutrients to keep our eyes in top shape. First, we've got lutein and zeaxanthin, a dynamic duo of antioxidants that are superheroes of eye health. These compounds don't just hang around, they accumulate in the retina. Studies have shown that having enough of these 2 in your system can significantly lower your risk of developing cataracts and macular degeneration, 2 big-time eye issues that often come knocking as we age. Egg yolks are like a treasure trove of lutein and zeaxanthin. So by including eggs in your diet, you're giving your eyes a VIP treatment, helping them stay sharp and focused for years to come. Another study found that chowing down on 1 egg every day for 5 weeks led to a 26% increase in lutein levels and a whopping 38% boost in zeaxanthin levels in older adults. That's excellent news for your peepers. But we're not done. Eggs are also loaded with vitamin A, another key player in the eye health game. Vitamin A deficiency is the most common cause of blindness globally, so getting enough of it is crucial for keeping your vision sharp. So next time you're whipping breakfast, crack open those eggs with confidence, knowing that you're giving your eyes the nutrients they need to stay healthy and happy. 3. Reduced risk of heart disease. We all know the age-old debate about cholesterol, specifically the infamous bad cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein, or LDL. We all know that having high levels of LDL can spell trouble for our hearts, increasing the risk of heart disease. But here's when it gets interesting. Not all LDL is created equal. You see, LDL comes in different shapes and sizes. There are these small, dense LDL particles, and then there are the larger ones. Now, studies have shown that people who have more of those small, dense LDL particles tend to be at a higher risk of heart disease compared to those with mostly large LDL particles. So where do eggs fit into all of this? Well, while it's true that eggs might nudge up your LDL cholesterol levels a bit, it's believed that they mostly increase the levels of those larger, more buoyant LDL particles, rather than the small, dense ones. That might be a good thing when it comes to heart health, potentially explaining why egg consumption has been associated with a reduced risk in heart disease in some studies. But hold your yolks. Some recent research has thrown a bit of a curveball, suggesting that eating eggs could be linked to an increased risk of heart disease-related death. Remember, enjoying a couple eggs now and then isn't going to send you straight to heart trouble. Like most things in life, it's all about balance. So feel free to crack open 2 eggs and savor them in your favorite dishes, but keep an eye on your overall dietary patterns. 4. Improves brain health. Choline is an essential micronutrient that plays a vital role in creating acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that's basically like the conductor of our mood and memory orchestra. While our liver does produce a bit of choline, it's not quite enough to meet our body's needs. That's where eggs come into play. Research suggests that higher intakes of choline could be linked to better memory and mental function. For most females, the recommended daily intake of choline is about 425 milligrams, while for males, it's bumped up to about 550 milligrams. A single egg packs a punch with 147 milligrams of choline, making it a convenient source to help meet those daily needs. But there's more brain-boosting goodness in eggs. Eggs are also a fantastic source of B vitamins, which are like little brain boosters. These little powerhouses not only keep our bodies running smoothly, but also play a vital role in supporting our gray matter. Studies suggest that the B vitamins found in eggs could help slow down the progression of mental decline in older adults by lowering levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that's been linked to the development of dementia and Alzheimer's disease. And here's an interesting tidbit. Being deficient in 2 specific B vitamins, folate and B12, has been linked to depression, so making sure we get enough of these nutrients, which eggs are rich in, could potentially help keep the blues at bay. 5. Helps in weight loss. Incorporating eggs into your weight loss journey could be one of the simplest and most effective steps you take. Here's why. Eggs are champions at keeping hunger at bay. They're packed with protein, which makes you feel fuller for longer. Plus, eggs are like nature's multivitamin, boasting a wide array of essential vitamins and minerals, as mentioned earlier, that many diets often lack. When it comes to shedding those pounds, it all boils down to calories in versus calories out. Eggs can be a game changer here. Take, for instance, a meal of 2 hard-boiled eggs and a cup of mixed veggies, clocking in at about 242 calories. But how you cook your eggs matters too. Adding oils or butter can quickly ramp up the calorie and fat content. Just a tablespoon of olive oil packs a hefty 119 calories. However, even with these additions, the overall calorie intake is still lower compared to many other meals, making eggs a smart choice for weight loss. Research backs it up too. Studies have shown that sweeping out a typical breakfast for eggs can lead to decreased feelings of hunger, prolonged periods of fullness, and ultimately, consuming fewer calories throughout the day. In fact, in one study, participants who opted for eggs and toast over cereal and juice ate around 150 fewer calories at lunchtime. And the benefits don't stop there. Eating eggs has been linked to a lower risk of excessive body fat and central obesity, which is that stubborn visceral fat around the abdomen, the kind we want to keep in check for overall health. So whether you're whipping up a veggie-packed omelet for breakfast or enjoying a protein-rich egg salad for lunch, rest assured that adding eggs to your daily menu can be a delicious and effective tool in your weight loss journey. Eating up to 2 whole eggs per day is considered perfectly safe for most people. There's simply no solid evidence suggesting that going beyond that could be harmful. It's just uncharted territory, since it hasn't been extensively studied. Not only are eggs packed with essential nutrients, but they're also incredibly versatile, affordable, and easy to prepare. Is there anything eggs can't do? Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this info exciting, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tasty and nutritious content.